Join us for a 2-day webcast auction on August 4th and 5th featuring new and rebuilt motors, plus MRO, spare parts, and heavy equipment. Lots include motors up to 900 horsepower, Dodge gear reducers, hydraulic cylinders, pumps, valves, bearings, a large quantity of Vidmar cabinets, drives, forklifts up to 30,000 pound capacity, electrical components, and more industrial takeouts, plus heavy machinery including John Deere loaders, dozers, Cat Knuckleboom loader, and much more. For additional information, visit myronbowling.com.